magandang buhay at yayamaning buhay, mga kapatid. As I had been telling in my 3 earlier topics, na una, magkaroon ka ng power of positive thinking or kapangyarihan ng iyong pag-iisip. Pangalawa, mastery or leading yourself first before others. Pangatlo, ang financial management. Ito pong magic ladder to success kay Napoleon Hill. I really love this author. Lahat po ng aking mga paglalakbay sa aking success in life, siya po yung guro ko or teacher. So, hindi pala yan pwede na hahakbang ka ng mataas agad, di ba? Masyadong nasa top ka kaagad ng hagdanan. Mahirap yan. So, unang baitang, pangalawang baitang, third, fourth, and fifth, to such time that you become stable. Let us go to a simple thing in life. Ano ba ang regular mong gayap? Diba? I always tell my students when I was in college din, as a dean, I told them, wag kang bumili ng mga ukay-ukay na damit. Bakit? Ang ukay-ukay na mindset, abay ukay-ukay ka hanggang mamatay. Yung tipong, bibilhin ko lang ito kasi tag 50 pesos lang, tag 100 pesos lang. So pag ganyan ang utak mo, hanggang mamatay ka, ito lang kasi, ito lang dahil pobre ako. Imagine that. You're branding yourself that you're poor and therefore you get cheap items. No, do not believe that. Huwag kang maniwala dyan na walang kwenta ang pagdadamit ng cheap. Hindi yan totoo. While it is true for Elon Musk or other billionaires in US na napaka-modest ang life nila, hindi bumibili ng mansion. But look at him. He came from a divorced family. The mother took care of him. He was not even formally schooled. Pero ano bang ginawa ni Elon Musk? Di ba 2 libro ang binabasa a day? So, you partner yourself to a person who is equally goal-driven. Syempre yung barkada mo, kainuman mo, nagdra-drugs, nagsisigarilyo, walang purpose sa buhay. So, pero gusto mong yumaman. Paano ba yun, di ba? So, you surround yourself with people who can multiply your value. Hindi yun pang magdadala sa'yo sa perdisyon, di ba? Ka pa niyan, makagawa ng krimen dahil sa kanila. So, surround yourself with beautiful people, with beautiful mind, and with beautiful purpose in life. Diba? Yung marunong magtrabaho at dedicated sa trabaho. So, after that, when you collaborate with others, pumasok ka sa mga areas na ikaw ay mag-create ng bagong pamamaraan to make you save money and earn money more. Ulit, magkaiba yung nag-save ka at nag-invest ka. Magkaiba yon. So if you save, you just have to withdraw that money for an emergency purpose. But if you are going to invest on other things like palalaguin mo tong pera na to, paano ba yan? Na-secure siya. So, kung kagaya sa akin, ayokong magproblema na sa pag-multiply ng savings ko, I let the bank take care of my money. So, ini-invest siya ng ibang institution to make it grow. Beware, my dear brethren and sisters. Huwag po kayong mag-invest sa easy money. Yung magduda ka kaagad pag halimbawa, gawa tayo ng ganitong pyramiding or paluwagan tapos doble. Kunyari, you invest 1,000, tutubo ng 3,000 or 5,000 or doble. Nako, mag-ano ka, huwag kang, kahit merong immediate return ng 1,000 mo, magtaka ka talaga pag ganun na scam yan. So, anyone who got rich did not do it overnight, kahit si Elon Musk, okay? So, Donald Trump, although President Donald Trump was a son of a wealthy person, makikita mo siya sa kanyang even the children, his children are taught to be thinking great things. 'Di ba? Ganyan ang institution at education niya sa kanyang mga anak. So, befriend good people with great dreams in life. Yan lang po ang ladders ng success. Multiply your value to others and let other people multiply, not diminish or withdraw from you. Amen to that. Please do subscribe, comment, and like.